Zulunation Family. These are our cats. This video is about how we got our cats and why we got our cats. This is Simba. This is Precious. We have chickens on the yard, so they bring on mice. So this is what they're here for. To hunt down our mice. So yeah. Zulunation, baby. Like and subscribe.
Also, hit the notification for free chicken nuggets. Yeah.
And we are the Zulunation Family.
Hey guys, we're on our way to a friend of mine's farm to pick up some barn cats. I mean, I guess they eat scorpions and mice. I feel like she said snakes too, but I don't remember.
Yeah, I read about it. They say that they don't like really eat snakes, but they'll kill them or like it'll drive them away because we have that. And me having kids and me being in the middle of nowhere, I'd rather have that. And you know, I know some of you weirdos, you're like, hey, you're piling up the animals. But that's why we moved out here. That's why we moved, big dog. Because we wanted to live that farm life. Wait for the goats. I said, wait for the fucking goats. Sheesh. Sheesh.
There's a lot of them. Oh yeah, so check out her. She has 80 acres or something like that.
Man,
she's a real farmer.
Ask her if she got a daughter. I'm gonna leave you and get with the 18. No, come on, it's a new mom, new land, new love, new acres, baby. He said, sus. Oh, this is cool. Look how they built the rocks.
Wait, Dad, you can make a house with just rocks?
You can make a house with wood. You
She
can.
said her house has a big porch around there.
So that's their house, one of those houses.
Yeah, she said it was an off-road dirt.
Oh, there it is. It's gonna be that house over there on the right.
Yes, I don't know what side it is.
Oh, it's on the left. I think that's she's a nurse? Yeah. I know how. We all know what nurses do. I did that big stuff. That's why I married one. I knew I was gonna make her a nurse.
Why is her porch so big?
No, it's not this one. She has a porch around her house.
But how do I get to the other side?
Oh no. There's just dogs out with it. No.
Okay, so we have to turn around. Yeah. Okay. So she owns all of this?
Yeah.
Is that her house too? Or?
Probably not. I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised. Do they have cows? I wonder if that's their cows.
Ask him if we can get cows. How much is their cows? Why aren't you talking. This is the people you strive to be, Megan.
I do talk to her. Obviously, I
You know,
talk to her.
you listen, people. Listen, you stick around the people you try to be like. People,
We're going to the
you know what I'm saying? I thought that's where we're going. Megan, get the camera off me. This is for
You
you.
like to be on camera.
No, I don't. Okay.
Go to the front of the house, dude.
Okay, she's going to the other house. What? So they own both houses?
I don't know.
How do people own 2 houses?
Can you call her?
They rich.
Here, Tina, you
They're what, Nico?
They rich. What the?
Hey, we're gonna be rich too.
Whoa.
They got 2 houses.
Okay. Yeah, she said go over
Mom.
What?
How do they got 2 houses?
Well, it's not a school.
Or that's just or that you really just sold.
there. Man, bro.
Let me show them. Let me show them my window so I can show them. The second house. Yay. Here you go, Mama. Mom, here. I
But they
wanna,
got dogs too, or what?
but Mom, I wanna go pet the kitties.
No cages?
I don't know.
Mom, please, I wanna go see the kitties.
You're gonna that.
Oh, I wanna see the kitties.
Park right here.
Go up your window, Tina.
Oh. Hey, Mommy, I wanna go see it. I see it.
Okay, no acting wild. It's like professional. You never show people what you really want.
Okay, Mom, hold this. I wanna watch the kitties.
I'm talking.
Yeah, she's the one. It's about her, Tino. No, hold it. You'll see the kitties later.
Why not?
She carries them.
That's one of them. Boy or girl? What are you? Is that a girl? I don't see dingles. Hi, girl. Oh, sorry. If I start
The other one.
sneezing, you know why.
Let me see it.
So this is Kim. This is my husband, Israel. Hi, it's nice to meet you. So I gotta go get the other one.
I like this thing.
Oh, they're that big?
Oh,
Yeah.
So you guys own all this?
No. We own this one here to the north of us.
So how did you obtain all this?
It was my husband.
I was telling her that. And then
Porter!
With the cows, you guys sell them? Is it milk cows? Is it eating cows?
Oh, they're eating cows.
And how much you sell them?
We, I don't sell them.
But I mean, I don't even know if I can have them. I don't know where we at if I would just like get two. You know?
Can you bring me Dad's truck so I can take the ladder over there to retrieve the cat? Huh? Move the awful cat.
Mama,
How do you stop them from leaving?
I want to see each other.
The cat.
Yeah, like this.
I don't.
No. I never understood how, you know what I mean?
I make for sure they have a little bit of food every day. Food and water. No, I told you those are such a quick. I was like, what's wrong with your tail? You're cute.
Mom, I thought you said you're allergic to cats.
Oh, I am.
That how you not sneezing?
See, Tino, you complain that I make you work. Look, the other boys working too.
Dad, what kind of dog is this?
Like the cat there?
What kind of dog is it?
It looks like a boxer.
We need a boxer now.
Boxers.
Sheesh.
I know he's nice.
I'm gonna put it on camera.
Brother's back
third.
underneath the swather.
Hi, hold on.
Alright, let me go get the truck. So I can have what I have to. Well, I can put it in my car.
How cute that is. I love it.
Over there. But I gotta go retrieve the other one that would give me away.
You have to at least get my kitten.
No, I'm gonna leave the cat, other cat's over there. Can you help?
So small. I love it. Oh my god. Hello.
Why are you so cute, Mom? Hey, grab me now.
Okay, I'm coming.
I'll be right back. Okay.
So guys, how does it feel to have 2 cats?
These are your cats. I just live with you guys.
Let me show them a 4th time. Where is it? It's right here.
You know, this is what I'm interested. Oh, you must bark a lot.
Oh, which one is that? That's what we have.
Yeah. So that's. But oh, where's the batteries, Megan? So why didn't you get more?
Ah, you're scared. It's okay. It's
No,
okay.
dude, but I've been telling
I don't
you,
bite,
stop
I
lying on
swear.
camera. Let me tell you this. She never listens. I'm still missing my mister. But if I said let's go get something
You don't like
useless, she's gonna be on it. You know what I'm saying?
He doesn't
So
like
I
me.
don't
That's our cat
understand.
doesn't like me.
Why?
I'm like, I was looking at it and then it turned back on. Come here.
It's not used to you.
Do it.
Dude, put the camera on her.
Mom, how does it feel to have a cat?
Scared. I don't like cats.
You don't like cats. You
How does it feel to have your,
Hey,
your friends gone? Dog. He doesn't care. What is the cat?
Look at that little truck.
I need a tractor. Mom. Mom. What are kitties?
Huh?
Well, what do you call kitties? Like, what kind of names do you call kittens?
Kittens.
Yeah, do you call them kitties or cats?
Kittens.
You can call them cats and kittens?
I like to call them baby cats.
Baby cats. Why is this box already smelling, Nico?
Maybe she thinks she likes it.
Smells of the dog.
Because we killed it.
Okay, you don't have to record every little thing. Switch it off.
Okay.
But I got poop.
I'll take one later if you have more clothes.
Yeah, that one right there. She's about 3 months old now.
Mom, sorry.
Oh, not quite 3 months. These are boar goats.
Boar goat.
And they show them at the fair too. This is another boar goat here. And this is a Savannah goat.
And then are you gonna mix them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna eventually get he's 3/4 Savannah and she's full-blooded boar. I got him to start breeding them, but I'm eventually gonna get another herd of just Savannahs.
And then when you do, are you gonna sell them?
These will just be for meat.
Okay.
I like the meat on it, and then my kids do too.
Because I want to, like I said, I don't have nothing big, just an acre to 5. Because I do dogs. I have dogs. I'm a respiratory therapist.
Oh shit! Do goats, man?
Wow.
Yeah.
For the amount that you have to like pay to feed them and everything, and once you get off, hands down, man. And it's really good meat.
And which for these ones or those ones are good meat?
So these ones are hardier. Like they come, I don't know where at in Africa, but they're so they do better in heat, cold, everything.
Oh,
They do way better
I'm from
supposedly.
South Africa, man.
And they get a little bit bigger.
Okay.
They're a little bit bigger too than the boar goats.
So, what are they called again? Savannah goats?
That one, he's a Savannah goat. Yep.
Okay, so big
Yep.
Savannah goats. And then, like, we have the stalls like this. So, do you rent them? Because I was going to put wire and then put them in the
Yeah,
they
so
jump
you'll
up.
have to do something like this. You want to go, if you do it, you want to go small. Unless if you pull on it, which is the horns, like, you can, some of them are bred that way, they're cold, and then some of them, I know cows are. I'm just getting into goats. But we put their gills and then burn the ends, and then they won't, but you have to go like really small like this, or they'll stick their heads through, and they'll get caught in there.
See, that's why I say I got to come out here and learn, bro.
Yeah, they'll get their heads caught in there. That's
then-
the reason that feeder's sitting out there, because they keep putting their head in there.
Do your dogs, like, bark at them a lot? Or how long does it take them to get used to them or anything like that?
My white one is brand new. He if he tries to go get them and stuff, like when the kids fair goats and stuff, he tries to go get them. We're trying to break him of that, but they don't mess with him anymore.
Yeah, 'cause
Only when they're new.
all the other dogs with cage, but I have 2 Rottweilers that guard the yard.
Mhm.
So I wanted to figure it out.
They probably, if you introduce them and like the kids play with them and handle them, whatever, they'd probably be okay.
Because even with these cats, she's like, we're leaving them outside. And I'm like, won't they leave? And then I'm like, then how do you? I don't know nothing about cats.
So these, I would just feed them every once in a while, just to keep them next to you, or just to keep them there, and let the kids play with them. But don't take them inside. Nope.
You heard that, bro? Please.
And then, like, feed them a little bit in the beginning. She'll be able to tell you better, but feed them a little bit in the beginning, just so they know that's kind of like home. And then eventually, you kind of just put some food out like once every couple weeks. But they'll stay. They know that's kind of like home, and they'll mouse your place really good.
Yeah, because we got chickens, and since we got them, I see them out.
Yeah, you want cats then. I hate cats.
So my grandpa had one. It survived 20 years, man. I've been trying to kill it. I know it sounds fucked up. I put a bag on it. Because every time I would cook, like he would go, because he was a house cat, he would eat the food I was cooking. But then when everybody else cooked, it would respect him. So I felt like, how the fuck are you messing with me?
No, don't ever let them in the house.
Okay. Man, this is beautiful, man. It seems like a lot of work, though.
It is. We downsized the bunch. We used to have the dairy, everything. Then we had sold that. We bought a big farm in Aztec.
So how did you know when you wanted to retire from being a firefighter?
Oh, I still work as a firefighter.
See? Because like, with my dogs, you sell them for like 45 or sometimes 35, and they're like, oh, you should stop it. I'm like, nah, I want to still work and come home, because I have 8 days off.
Yeah. No, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
That's cool, man. Yeah, I appreciate it. Your son, man, he needed to see that. Because I just barely started teaching him how to drive, and he complained.
Oh.
On the acreage, you can make mistakes and you won't hit nothing. So I'm like, just do your thing. And then when I saw your son, I was like, you saw he's driving, right? That's why they ran up here.
Oh yeah. He started driving about 7.
Yeah.
6.5, 7. He was like, I don't think he was part 8 one day. I was doing something here, and I saw a truck go by, and I was like, oh, that looks like my truck. And it was on the highway. And him and his sister were in there.
Oh my God.
Like young, like literally. I think he was like 7
your fears,
maybe.
baby. Yeah.
No, I was having them come down, but I had went to the top of the hill or something. And so they were like, oh, we'll just meet them at the top. And then I turned around, I was going down.
Let me ask this, with the cows, do you sell them or you just keep them?
So the ones that I have for, I started a breeding program, and then I sell them to people that want meat and stuff.
Okay, and then because I was asking her, I was like, I want to get like 1 or 2 too.
Yeah.
Do you recommend it? Because I want to get some goats, and then I wanted to get 1 or 2 cows.
Yeah, just get you can get bulls and ban them or steers or whatever.
Okay. And I'm saying, how much do you sell?
The animals? Yeah. I don't sell just the animals. I keep them, and then I feed them out, and then like the people that want meat, like I sell them like a quarter or a half or a whole beef.
Oh, check this out. So if I want a whole cow too, you sell it to me? Or do I have to take it to a butcher, or? Because there's a dude, remember that dude we were supposed to get the whole, because we bought like freezers and just with everything going, and I don't want to speak politics, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I was like, I'm going to collect meat up and just have a bunch of stuff. And yeah, some dude was like, oh, we'll sell it to you. Do you do that?
Still in the tree.
Yeah, we that's what I do. I raise them, I feed them a certain way, and then I sell them like half a side, full side, whatever. But the actual animals themselves is I just keep them and then I feed them out and sell them. You can find people around that have them for sale. I got one for sale, but it's a Highland.
Is it a boy, girl?
No.
Yeah.
That's fine. What about this stuffing in the tree?
She lost 2 of them the other day. She's like, I guess I'm gonna go hide them now. Too bad.
Or they passed, or did they just leave?
Oh no, she just took them over to Grandma's house and put them in the backyard. Grandma's house is safe.
Yeah.
until Grandma gets back from Mexico in a couple days with her dogs.
So just leave them outside, put the food on the floor.
Give them, make sure they have some food and some water, and they'll be fine.
Okay.
Yeah. They've been outside cats since the day they were born.
Because they're hoping I was like, if I would just lift my dogs up, what? I'd never see them again. That's what I'm like.
They know where they've got a little food and they've got a little water, they'll be fine.
I had a cat.
My dad was putting out his cat and dogs.
So, this man just said some words to me that, you know, I'm irresponsible basically about our batteries, but here we are. Just now, we just got them right now.
So are you gonna put them on them tonight? Can you put them on them tonight, so that they stop barking? Because Megan loves to not do things and acts like, oh, you know what I'm saying? You have the batteries. Can you put them on today? No, can you just put them on? I'm not asking, I'm telling. No. Yeah, I'm not asking. That's what we need to do. Remember I told you, I said, you don't want to do what we need to do. She wants to sleep all day, like she's pregnant. Only pregnant women sleep all day. You know what I'm saying? So she's not pregnant. So I'm gonna need you to put this on your puppies. You know what I mean? Today I went and got the cats. I could have put them on, but it's time for me to get ready for work. But I got the kittens, you know what I'm saying? So I want to apologize to my beautiful, wonderful, fantastic, greatest wife of all time. There's no one like you. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate it. This Zulunation, baby.
These cats. Yo, do that again. Do that again. Let me show them. Let me show them.
She doesn't like me.
Sure. Imangla's okay. She likes Imangla, but put it to together. Put her to together. I want to show them. See, she just goes cray. Be nice. Be nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
you don't, because I got attacked by a cat demon.
All right. Hi. Try her. Hey. Look.
She likes him. She's nice.
Yeah.
You know, go get the batteries.
Okay.
She doesn't
Babe, get the food so that they know.
I know.
Okay. No. Break it up.
Nico, get the shotgun. Yeah. I'm watching. All of them. There's not just those. Get all of them. No, that's not all of them. Yeah, take the white stuff out of there. If you want to find something, lazy boy, take the things out. Take everything that's in there out. Yeah, stop being lazy. You know what I'm saying? You want to be lazy.
Halala sanbongela, halala sanbongela we. Halala sanbongela, halala sanbongela.